Alright, I'm here with the RX7. We've got our bumper kit, our body kit here, and we're finishing up some bodywork over here. We have some small dents we have, covered them up, we just gotta come and sand them. Then I'm gonna be messing with this body kit because it's a little cheaper body kit. Where I can see instead of being bendable, it's fiberglass with plastic. And it's got some of these covers I don't like, so I'm gonna mount it up, so we can cut those and get it looking nice. We're gonna have to put some bolt holes in it so it can just go where it originally goes. I got some bolts, so we'll get those mocked up. We're gonna get all this sanded, so let's get to it.
Alright, so the previous owner had made the holes already, and I got the brackets from my other bumper, so I was just opening them up a bit because it was too tight and they wouldn't fit in right. So all I did was just hollow out those holes a little and everything went in perfect, and I was able to use those brackets, which was great, made it a lot easier.
Alright, so with this, it doesn't cover this, which is good. I didn't want it to cover it. The only thing is, this thing is really flimsy. I can see every time I push it, it's cracking right here. Just because it's not something flexible, it's fiberglass and plastic. But the person, they had something right here, which I don't want. I'm gonna put something here. I'm gonna drill it for now, drill through there. Then zip tie it for the meantime, just so I can get it mocked up. I want to do it right here just in case I don't end up wanting to use this. I could just throw my regular one on and there's not much to fix but a little hole. So what I'm thinking is push it something like this. But then this sits flush and it's over there like that. I don't believe it. I don't know if it's supposed to be like this or if it'll look weird if it's like that. But I would think if we wanted something like this, put a zip tie right there to hold it for now. Then, yeah, because it's going to be about right there, so I'll probably want to go right there. And I can zip tie it and it'll stay like that for the meantime. We can do the other side. But it would be like that if we just did it like the hole right here. But I'll drill a hole here and here, so I can, yeah, let's just get to it. Need to go forward a little. Oh no, there we go. That should be something like that. So we get an idea of how it's gonna look. Needs to go up a little. I don't know if I'm gonna keep these. I really like the regular moldings, but we'll see. It should be something like that. Alright, let me show you. See right there, well, let's get that little view right there. See, we haven't done the back bumper yet, we just did the side skirt. I closed the door on it just to keep it in place. Then I drill 2 holes right there, and let me show you. Right there. Drilled them, I put a zip tie just for now. This is just so we can mock it up. I'm trying to make sure I like this thing before I proceed with it. I think I do. See, the person, they did theirs there, which I don't want. I believe I'm going to cut this out right there so I can put the regular trim going across the whole way because I like the trim and I have it. We'll figure that out. We're just trying to mock it off for now. But yeah, we just got a zip tied for the meantime and it looks pretty good. Check that out. I'm trying to figure out how to get this window up because these are power windows and it has no switches or anything. But yeah, we'll figure that out later. But there we go, we zoomed in. Alright, I focused on it, sorry. It looks pretty good to me, I like it. But like I said, I just don't like those pieces that cover the trim part. But look at that. Then for this, instead of trying to figure out if I should just have it like that or have it all in like that where it's pushing it flush I'm not sure, or if it's supposed to be like that. Let me know what you think before I do this one. But yeah, I'm gonna throw the other one on. Then I'm not sure if I can throw the bumper on yet. I'm gonna have to push my car back a little, or else it's gonna get hit. And this stuff's real flimsy. It's real crackable just due to the fact that it's like that plastic. It's not really that bendable. See, it doesn't really like to bend, but you can move it here and there. Yeah, let's finish up. All right, so all I'm doing is, this was a little easier. Oh fuck, get open. Oh, there we go. All I'm doing is open it. Try to line it up. Hold on, let me try to get that part in there. Close that on it for now. And make sure it lines up over here at least. See, this thing cracks real easy. I think my fender's too far on this side away, so I'm gonna have to adjust the fender itself. Let me move some stuff. All right, got that drilled. Just trying to hold it for now. Not tied fully, leave it there so we can mess with the front. There we go. Now we're somewhere. I think I'm gonna do it like right here, somewhere. Hold on. No, I think I'm gonna do it in that same spot. I got the tape on. Go. There. I don't gotta put it too tight yet. We're just trying to mock it up. It's looking pretty nice. Let's get an outer look. All right, check that out. I think it's looking real good with the side skirts. I like them. Need a little fixing, but I would like to get the body about as straight as can be. Then we'll start fixing everything and making it look nicer. But it's looking pretty good. Just gotta do the back bumper in the front, but I'm gonna knock out this bodywork real quick. So let's knock that out so it won't look all weird. Then we gotta do this because I was guide coating it. This door is really messed up, so it needs a lot of love, but let's fix this up. We are looking good here. Let's finish it up. Alright, so we got some body work up here too. I've got half, or just this driver's side done, so half of it, then I gotta do the other half, but for now we're just gonna do this half. I already finished the quarter panel, so let's get to it. We're looking good. It's a little hard to see, but we finished all of the body work on this side. We've got a guide coat that side. We've got this about done. I've got a little something right here. Oh, but as I was saying before my camera died, we've got over here our body work, then come down here. We've got some, it's mainly just small little dents. So we've got that figured, then I'm working my way over here. Guide coating, we have some little stuff over here, but nothing major. Got most of the body kit on. I haven't put this on properly and tied it down. The side skirts I did just right here on the side, so we've got that. Got that one, and got the other side. I think it looks great with it, to be honest. I'm liking them. They look pretty sick. And we've got the bumper, but we're gonna do that tomorrow. But let me get you a view from here. I think it's looking amazing. I'm pretty hyped on it. Everything's looking good. It'll look 10 times better once we throw in that bumper. But yeah, that's what we got. And really need some lights, but we're looking good. Everything's looking great. Got to do adjusting to the front a little just so we can line up stuff more and I can make the brackets for the front one, but we're getting there and we're making this happen. Everything's starting to look good. The body's getting straighter. So this is an A+. Hell yeah. But despite all that, I appreciate you watching. I appreciate you supporting. Thank you for joining me and watching this. But until the next one, hit that follow and stay tuned. Appreciate you.